Working with Child Plus data imports. From the main menu, under Management, choose Import Data. Here you can see that all the steps have been set up for you, and you're able to map out and see what you need to do. Please remember that you can only do one center at a time. So the first step is to export a Child Plus XML file. That file can only contain this one center. You cannot have a file, an XML file from Child Plus with multiple centers. It will not work. The instructions on what it is you need to do for your XML file on Child Plus are listed for you, but if you need detailed instructions, you can use the administrator guide. Once you have your XML file set and ready to go, click Next. If this is your very first time using Parent Gauge, you will skip step 2 since your rosters are currently empty. If this is not your first time and there are currently active children and guardians in your rosters, then we will continue with step 2. In step 2, you will choose Center. Click Mark Inactive, and you will receive this note. You can also stop from right here, go to your children, click on your center, and see that it is blank. If you're wondering where your children are, under Inactive, you can see that that's where they're waiting for you. Please note that in this, as it's just an example, there's only one child in the center. I'm not missing any kids. All right, to go back to your import data, and we've already done that, so now we're on step 3. Upload a Child Plus XML file for each center. Choose your center, then click Select a File. Of course, we don't have Child Plus, so I don't have an XML file to show you, but you would click this, and you can see you would be able to pull the file that you had set up, and then you would click Next. Once you select a file, it will show you up at the top that it has been done successfully when you're finished. There's also notes on what you can do if you're not seeing anything. And it can take 5 to 10 minutes. And it's okay to navigate away from it during the process. You should be getting emails telling you that everything went through, or an email telling you that things failed. The other way that you can check is to go to your children and then click on and of course, if I had uploaded a file, then my child would be showing back here again. But you would be able to see all your children back. And the same goes for your guardians. It will take care of the children and the guardians together. And then you're all set and ready to go into your children and prepare for your interviews.